Okay, so after my last video of how to have your navigation follow you, I had two agents call and ask how I changed these items in my navigation bar, where I have agent dashboard, listing collections, office/member, change a listing, quick search, CMA, MLS. This is a super great thing in my opinion. You go to menu. Now keep in mind I have a very wide screen. And you choose the things you want by putting a star by them. So see, hot sheet just showed up. And let's say I wanted my listings start. It shows up there. And let's say I wanted calculators up there. Okay, now that they're all up there, now let's say I wanted to change the order of them. Over here, this little reorder, you can just drag to however you want, hit save, and that's how you change your navigation.